Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to divide both sides by t squared. So we have y and first derivative of y. So in this one we can use about integrating factor, and then we need to find about mu t equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that positive number 2 over t next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gold here. And we have 2f and t. So I will put number 2 go inside about natural law in here. So we need to simplify this one, and we have t squared. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So we simplify and we have 2t. This one we have 3t. This one we have number 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have t squared y. This one we have 3t squared over number 2. The next one that is about t, and I will put about c. Now we have the condition. That means when t equals to number 1, y equals to number 1. And now I will put number 1 going here to find the value of t. Find the value of c. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 3 over 2. And now we simplify it, and we can find the value of c equals to negative number 3 over 2. So I will put this one gold here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.